Right, welcome to my review of the Kawasaki Ninja 650. Now obviously I reviewed the Daytona 660, which is supposed to be a rival to this bike. I've been meaning to review this bike for a while, but I've been struggling with timing to get up here. Cryptic, who comes into my TikTok lives, this is his, and he wanted me to check it out and do a proper review of it. So that's what I'm here to do. So it's Kawasaki Ninja 650. It's got a 649cc engine and it's a parallel twin. Now I've already had to ride it to where we are right now, and some of the things I'd say just off the bat is comfort, huge plus. It's probably arguably more comfortable than the Daytona, but I think that's just due to the positioning. It's a lot more upright, a lot more relaxed than the Daytona is. Because it's been somewhat tuned, it's a little bit more pokey, so I can't really put it side by side with the Daytona because that was stock. But this one's actually really nice to ride. It's like instant power as well. So I've been, in my mind, I've been comparing it to the ZX6R, the 2010 one I rode, which had a stage 1 remap. And this pulls away quicker. It seems it's got more torque in the lower gears, which surprised me a lot. But yeah, that's pretty much all I can say on it now. Apart from, you know, the design. It looks nice, it's impeccable. I hate the screen on the front, I really do. But the whole design of the bike, and it just looks nice, it's built for comfort, and it sounds amazing because it's got fuck all there. Now I'll turn it on in a minute just to show you, but it's very loud and yobbo-ified. But there's not really much I can say, anything else on it. I can go into the details of the engine and stuff, but that's just going to bore the fuck out of you. So I'll just cut to clips of me riding, and yeah, and it is what it is. It's a nice bike to ride. Very loud. Very loud. Yeah. So we'll go for a ride and we'll enjoy it. I'm on a Ninja 650 with a very yobbo exhaust. It's very comfortable. I've been meaning to review this for a while, just haven't had the time. Very comfortable. This popping and banging's ridiculous, man. It's a proper yobbo-mobile. Yobbo bike, man. I don't even know what to say about it, to be honest. I've been wanting to do this review for a while, and now I'm just speechless. Obviously, I rode the Stage 1 ZX6, which was a 2010, 2011, and now I'm riding the 650. It's quite pokey. It picks up a bit quicker than the ZX6 did, which is saying something. You can feel the torque when you twist the throttle. You can feel it going. I understand why Cryptic likes this bike. This is not what I was expecting. Oh god, it's so windy.
Fuck. It showed this as tarmac on Google Maps. It showed this as tarmac on Google Maps. Yeah, maybe. Huh? Yeah, I'm just going to do like a video bit, intro bit. You all just missed that because I forgot to record, but gun behind me almost ended up in these fucking bushes. Indicator. He said he wanted footage of me on the back wheel, but one, I don't want to bin his bike, and two, I don't feel comfortable doing it on someone else's bike, but he keeps egging me on. He's like, I want to see footage on the back wheel. I don't like doing that shit, man. Let's not scout on the cheap shit. $11.50 will do. It's not on a pound, but still. Cheers. Cheers, thank you very much. Have a good day.